Dear students, let us see the third property. See, when x of t is Whiteson stationary and y of t is equal to this one, right? Convolution between h of t and x of t minus u. Then prove these four: rxy of tau, ryy of tau, sxy of tau, syy of tau. Just now we have proved this, right? Just now we have proved this. Being very lengthy, I have proved it separately. Okay. Let us prove other three now. Other three. Okay. See, first, it is given x of t is wss and y of t is this integral. So let us take left hand side rxy of tau. We know rxy of tau is expectation of x of t into y of t plus tau, or x of t1 into y of t2. There are many methods to do, right? Let us choose, this is, listen here, this is easy, x of t1 into y of t2, or x of t into y of t plus tau. t1 is t, t2 is t plus tau, small variation in time, right? Okay. Which is expectation of, we know y of t, integral. Y of t plus tau is the same integral, in place of t it is t plus tau. Okay. So let us take x of t inside the integration, because integration is only with respect to u. So x of t cannot disturb. Take it inside integration. So given expectation can be taken to expectation of integration is integration of expectation. We take expectation only for random variables or processes. Okay. It is x of t1, x of t2, which is rxx of t1 comma t2, or rxx of tau, which is t1 minus t2 or t2 minus t1. Let us try to get t tau positive. In such a way we choose, okay? t2 minus t1, t plus tau minus u minus t, t2 minus t1, or t1 minus t2. So to avoid being tau to become negative, I consider t2 minus t1, okay? Hence by the definition, convolution definition, what is convolution definition? This tau is replaced by u, this tau is replaced by tau minus u. That is definition, right? So by convolution definition, this becomes this form. We know convolution of these two is same as convolution of these two, which is the required answer, right? Which complete first subdivision. Second subdivision, taking Fourier transform both sides, you will get second subdivision. Fourier transform of rxy of tau is sxy of tau, omega. Sxy of omega. You should know this. This we have studied in 4th unit. Okay. Fourier transform of autocorrelation is Fourier transform of autocorrelation is this power spectral density. Okay. Fourier transform of cross correlation is cross power spectral density. Okay. Which completes second subdivision. Next, third subdivision, take left hand side ryy of tau, which is expectation of y of t into y of t plus tau. Y of t1 into y of t2. t1 is t, t2 is t plus tau. Okay. There are methods to do problem. This method is easy. Here I feel. Integral. Y of t is given. Integral. Right. X h of u, x of t minus u, etc. Take expectation inside integration. And take expectation for random processes, which is t2 minus t1. It can be t1 minus t2 even, then tau become negative. To avoid tau negative, I consider t2 minus t1. So to use convolution definition, this term should be minus. So we should use substitution method like what we have already discussed. U is equal to minus alpha. So limits will also change. Hence you see, you know minus integral b to a is integral a to b. Properties of integral. Now, first function is replaced by u, second function is replaced by tau minus u. First function is replaced by alpha, second function is replaced by tau minus alpha by convolution. Fourth subdivision already done, which complete this property. Okay. Next, property 4. X of t is WSS, then y of t is also WSS. If input is Whiteson stationary, then output is also Whiteson stationary. We know to prove Whiteson stationary, mean should be constant, and the autocorrelation function is a function of time difference, right? Let us prove first mean. Since x of t is WSS, mean of x of t is constant, and autocorrelation is also function of t1 minus t2. No problem. So we know what is y of t, output, the relationship between output and input. find mean, we have to show mean is constant. E of y of t. Take expectation both sides, right? Expectation of x of t minus u. Being time invariant, whether it is t minus u or t, answer is going to be same because it is time invariant. It will not vary with respect to time. Whether it is t or t minus u, it is same. So it E of x of t. E of x of t is constant, right? Which can be taken outside integral. Already E of x of t is constant because x of t is Whiteson stationary. This integral will be a constant one. Hence the answer is constant. So first condition is over. Now we have to prove second condition. Ryy is function of t1 minus t2. It is said Rxx is function of t1 minus t2. Okay. In order to prove Ryy is function, you can take here t plus tau. Okay. Your choice. I take t1 t2. You try even with t plus tau. If you feel difficult, change method. Okay. Integral minus, we know what is y of t. Because we know relationship between y of t and x of t. Similarly, y of t2. Take, listen here, these two can be together written as integral, double integral. H of u1 into h of u2, etc. Listen here, let us take expectation. Get expectation inside integral. Both x, so it is Rxx. It is, they have subtracted as it is t1 minus t2, u1 plus u2 you will have, right, when you subtract. Minus u1 plus u2. Take minus common. u1 minus u2. Already it is said Rxx is function of t1 minus t2. This is, listen here, this is not a problem when we integrate with minus infinite to plus infinite. So, already Rxx is function of t1 minus t2. Hence, Ryy is also function of t1 minus t2. Since both conditions are satisfied, y of t is also a WSS. Okay. So, let us see. Next comes one or two problems. Later again property, again problems. Okay. So, I stop here. We shall see in the next video. Okay.